fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my
Stuck here between a rock and a hard place. Whoa, I won't listen to the noises my heart makes. Whoa, when my head's buried in the sand, I can't seem to understand lessons I've been told. When I can't hear a word you say, nothing left to do but pray. Hope I'll find my way to you. Stuck in a loop where I run from the truth, but it comes back to hit me in the face like, ooh, damn, went too fast. Brought it all back just to wait for the crash. Tripped on the track and fell down flat. Got back up, then started to laugh. Look at that, getting mad at the hand I was dealt and the way that I felt on the days that I melt into the bed and the covers smothered. Wait and I worry and I wonder when I'm going under. Once again, got that thunder and rain replaying in my brain, waiting for the change. Storm gonna pass, but I'm still the same till the wind blows a different way. Ay. Maybe I could stay here just a little longer. Maybe I could find my way back to you. Maybe you could save me, pull me out the water. Maybe I could find my way back to you. Tanks on E, low battery, got nothing to give and got none left for me. And yes, I see, this is a means, the end of the tunnel. Got light, I can breathe, but I'm out at sea. Begging you please, shake me awake. I am trapped in a dream. When I finally get up, I'ma run for home. Snuggle up with my kitties in my comfort zone. Won't open up again, I'll be vulnerable. Cause the moment that I do, I might get thrown and pulled in a new direction. I ain't ready to go, I ain't ready to show my true self. I ain't ready to know, no, who I really am, Lord. What I'm really here for. How I'm gonna get there when I ain't going nowhere. Maybe I could stay here just a little longer. Maybe I could find my way back to you. Maybe you could save me, pull me out the water. Maybe I could find my way back to you. Maybe I could stay here just a little longer. Maybe I could find my way back to you. Maybe you could save me, pull me out the water. Maybe I could find my way back to you.
I'm tryna find out if you with it, Wanna be all up in the video like Diddy, Cause I know you love the vibes that I got plenty of. Just show me love when I pop up in your city, You at the right place at the right time. Promise you won't switch sides. It's a vibe on this side. You at the right place at the right time. Don't gotta wait till night time, cause this is how it starts shine. Always knew we was gon' pop right, yeah, no balloon. I run each other like at the combine, yeah, all the rules. No, I don't follow, I create mine, I never lose. I'm undefeated when it's daytime. Full of the best things in life be hidden right in plain sight. You tryna get fly like me, but we ain't on the same flight. I be standing tall, I'm tryna take it up to great heights. Now how would you know if you could do it if you ain't tried? Lands on me like stages, ain't no skips up on my playlist. All these different shades on when I'm drippin', I'm not racist. If you seen what's on my feet, then you would see I'm gon' be straightened. I promised I would make it, ain't no time to spend complaining. Hey. I'm tryna find out if you with it, huh? You wanna be all up in the video like Diddy, huh? Cause I know you love the vibes that I got plenty of. Just show me love when I pop out in your city, huh? You at the right place at the right time. Promise you won't switch sides. It's a vibe on this side. You at the right place at the right time. Don't gotta wait till night time, cause this is how it starts shine. Wanna talk to me, gotta speak up. Just run through a duff, I had to re-up. All that revving up the engine just to eat dust. Gotta modify your motor just to keep up. I like you been around the window when you see one. Charged up like Pika. I'm not with the title and I don't know what you speak of. None of this by accident, was born to heat the streets up. I'm back in my bag again, it's time to heat the streets up. Time to with these beats up, they told me drop some new shit. Your character iffy, I mean look at who you cool with. I with so many squares in your circle, it don't make no sense. That's why I be straight on my dolo, I'm on some go shit. I done came way too far for me to stop now. I done bought way too hard, I can't be locked down. You had your little moment of shine, pass me the ride now. They have a little moment of silence, they getting knocked down. To me, gotta speak up. Just run through a duff, I had to re-up. All that revving up the engine just to eat dust. Gotta modify your motor just to keep up. I like you been around the window when you see one. Charged up like Pika. I'm not with the title and I don't know what you speak of. None of this by accident, was born to heat the streets up. I'm back in my bag again, it's time to heat the streets up. Cuddy told me, tell him how you really feel. I had to come through with the bass like I'm Philly Phil. I had to keep it 3 stats, had to keep it real. I had to push the seat back, had to spin the wheel. I had to get this shit in motion, had to start the movement. So if it's staying down the fold, then you know what I'm choosing. I still be rolling in that Beamer, you might see me cruising. I'm in the city riding clean, I talk to me, gotta speak up. Just run through a duff, I had to re-up. All that revving up the engine just to eat dust. Gotta modify your motor just to keep up. I like you been around the window when you see one. Charged up like Pika. I'm not with the title and I don't know what you speak of. None of this by accident, was born to heat the streets up. I'm back in my bag again, it's time to heat the streets up.
To Miami each weekend. We step outside, been on time and on season. Leave it behind if you gave me a reason to. But you won't, 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 but you won't. You still call my phone, drinking your tone. Leave me alone, can't leave me alone. And it's crazy. It's crazy, but it's true. Say you hate me, but you do wanna see me when you drunk. Could have anyone you want, and I'm still the only one when you out with all your friends. Ask if I could pick you up, and I would do it, girl. I've been heavy on that cup, and you could call your man when he call. You don't pick up, and I should tell you no, it's not worth another run. It's so good when we fuck and we fight until it's done at the end of the day. You still gon' get what you want at the end of the day. They gonna fight and then she gonna leave him. She wanna fly to Miami each weekend. We step outside, been on time and on season. Leave it behind if you gave me a reason to. But you won't, 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 but you won't. You still call my phone, drinking your tone. Leave me alone, can't leave me alone. And it's crazy. Everything that you needed, don't you know I would've gave. Put it down, whatever it takes. But I can't give it too much. We went from every day, loving to never relate. Drowning in circles, stuck in place. Everything that that you needed. Gave it till I had nothing left. Cause I learned to love you too much, and there's no growth if I stay. And so whenever you call me, I guess time to walk away. Cause I learned to love you too. Love me too. Love me too. Love me too. I learned to love me too. Love me too. Love me too. I learned to love me too. Ain't no picking up where we left off. All the time I lost, now it's just gone. I cannot get